Folks, it's me, Old Drifter again. I am in, yes, I got you pointed up. There you go. How's that? I am in, man, I gotta start remembering the name of these towns better. I'm drawing a blank, can't think of it. I have no clue. Anyhow, I'm somewhere. I'm at the Lewis and Clark State Park. See behind me, I'm in like an old, supposed to look like a rustic cabin. Well, it does look like one. Anyway, with the fireplace behind me. This is a beautiful park, beautiful park. Supposedly, it's right on the Missouri River. Gets turned around here. See, that's the Missouri River out there. Supposedly this is the second campsite on Lewis and Clark's, I'm talking about, their expedition. This is supposedly their second campsite on the way back. They got a marker for it over here and everything. That, I don't know, can't say if it's true or not, but seems feasible. I mean, the water's not 50 feet away, so it's a beautiful park, well taken care of. It's got a campground and everything. It's more of a place to come, just hang out, relax on the river. Got some stuff to see, history-like stuff to see. I like it here. Anyway, I walked around, looked at everything. They got a replica of a boat that Lewis and Clark used. I tried to get a picture of it. The only thing, it's cordoned off. You can't get real close to it. So it's not a very good picture, but I'll put it in here. Nevertheless, maybe you can enlarge it or something. Yeah, some guy over here flying a remote control plane. I'm a big RC hobbyist, or used to be. I don't have the room for it now, but I used to love that stuff. I was always scared to get a plane because them things cost about $1,000, anywhere up to $2,000, and you crash it the very first day. That's the reason I never bought one. But anyhow, enough of that. I'm gonna hang out here. This park closes at 10 p.m. I don't have a clue where I'm gonna stay tonight. I may have to do the old truck stop, Walmart thing, because I'm not seeing any campsites around here. Free campsites. That's all I use. I don't pay for campsites. I just use free ones. So, looks like it may be a truck stop kind of night tonight. Anyhow, I'm going to pause this right now, walk around a little bit, see what I can find. I'm going to go over here and see these guys flying that plane. But I'll be back. So here's a little view of the park. It's actually, pretty nice. I have to give them that. Pretty nice park. There's that little cabin thing I was sitting at. Now these trees, see them, these trees are huge and old. And I know they're old. I used to log. I can look at a tree and tell. I'm just curious if these trees were here when old Lewis and Clark was walking around. That's what I'm curious. Who knows? But here, I'm gonna go over here and show you this unique tree. I don't know. I must be hearing a motorcycle. Can you see that? Is it in there? Yeah, see that crazy looking tree right there? It's just a stump. Looks like a stump that put a roof on. That's different. That's neat. I'll take it. Hey everybody, it's me, Old Drifter. I know the sun's right here. There's really no place for me to get out where it won't be a shadow. I'm looking. There's old Holly. I found another campsite. Here, I tell you what, let me put you in here. That made it even worse, didn't it? Okay, we'll have to do the best I can. I found another campsite. It's the Mulberry Conservation Area. It ain't too bad. It's pretty nice. I'll go here in the shade and see what happens. Oh, that's even worse, ain't it? I'm trying, folks. I'm trying. Anyway, you can see it behind me. There's a pig up there. Evidently they've out on a boat or something. There's old Holly, the old van. But this is pretty much what it is. You see it? Has a vault toilet over there. Right there. Trash cans. No water. No electric. I mean, it's got wooded area behind me here. Pretty growed up, so you know. Looks like somebody's been walking right here. I know you can't see it, but there's a trail. I might check that out here in a little bit. Don't feel like getting snake bit right now. This area ain't bad. I'm probably gonna stay here a couple of days. It's been super quiet so far. I just got here this morning. Stayed at the rest area last night, which was miserable. I mean, it was just downright miserable. Like I always say, everybody tries to make this life so glamorous. They never show you the parts that suck. There is a lot of parts that ain't, you know, yeah, give them a thumbs down. Like this rest area I stayed at this night. It wasn't even a rest area. It had no facilities, no bathroom, no water, no nothing. It was just a parking area. Anyway, I stayed there, no shade. It was hot. You know, I got there about 4 or 5 o'clock because I didn't want to try. I was coming to this place here, but I didn't want to try to find it in the dark. So I stayed there. So I'm in the sun, it's hot, so I had to leave the doors and windows open. It's like 10 million flies come in, so I fought with them things all night. Yeah, it wasn't good at all. But you know, that's part of it. You don't always get the perfect trip, you know, the perfect place to stay or stuff like that. Sometimes you gotta camp in the ghetto sometimes. But anyhow, I found this place this morning, got up early, and it wasn't easy to find. Let's see if I can show you this bridge. I don't know, you may be able to see it. If you look way back there, see there's a bridge. I crossed that thing, man, I don't know. Probably crossed it 4 times, because I know I was following the direction. I got a fly bothering me now. I was following the directions. There's a big lookout area with a walking trail. I checked it out, it's pretty cool. I'll take you back over there before I leave tomorrow, or whenever I leave. I might not even leave tomorrow. But anyway, directions said turn on this 579, the road number 579, right before you get to the lookout and the bridge. Well, I fly past the lookout, go across the bridge. Well, you know, I turn around and go back. I don't see no 559, so I drive a little bit, turn around again, come back this direction. My GPS is saying, turn now, turn now, turn now. I don't see no road. I don't see it. So I cross the bridge again. I turn around, come back across the bridge. Long story short, a lot of these roads around here, I'm in Nebraska. A lot of these roads around here are gravel. And, sorry, I had one of them biting flies biting my arm there. But anyway, these roads are gravel. I think what's happened, it looks like they're making a few more roads in this area over here I'm in. I think they've kind of moved this gravel road somewhat, if that makes sense. Like where you used to turn on it. Because I seen a spot where it looked like, at one time, people have been going down this hill, you know, but it was growing up with grass. So I'm like, well, that can't be it. But anyway, I backtracked, went about 2 miles the direction I'd came, and found the road. I think they've made a new, you know, whatever you want to call it, like extended that road out or something, made a new entrance. Anyhow, I found it. I'm here. So let's walk out here. I'll show you some there. It's got a little bit of information about the area, not much, but we'll go over here and look at it. I know that sun's bright, got me in a shadow, but I walked over here. There's 2 trash cans. Here's the vault toilet. We'll go here and see what it looks like. It's, you know, it ain't bad. I don't think I'll be using it, but you know, it ain't bad. I've seen worse. I want somebody flying down the gravel road. There's the information signs there. We'll look at that in a minute. Has a boat ramp. You know, if you happen to have kayaks or maybe dragging a boat behind you, I don't. But has a, you see, right there's the boat ramp. Goes down there in the river. Now I'll tell you about the Missouri River, in case you don't know. I'm Try to see if you, I don't know if you can see it on here or not. Give me just a second. I know I'm swinging y'all around and everything. Can you see the foam in the water? If it's showing up, I don't know if it is, I can't tell. You see how fast that foam is going? The Missouri River has some mad current. Now, I've spent a lot of time on the rivers, mainly the Tennessee and the Cumberland. But yeah, the Missouri has some mad current. It's a dangerous river. It'd be easy to drown in it. I never noticed it because I'm not around the Missouri River a lot. But I never noticed it until I got here. And there's a stick, or actually part of a tree floating down through there. And I know it was going probably at least 10 miles an hour. I mean, it was flying. I didn't realize this river had that much current. And yes, my contacts are, I think I'm not cleaning them good or something. They just constantly irritate my eyes. Anyhow, before I forget, right now I'm standing in Nebraska at this Mulberry Bend Wildlife Management Area. Well, if I turn around, that bridge right there, the one I've crossed half a dozen times, takes you across the Missouri River. Right there is South Dakota. So, you know, I'm just, if I was a little bit younger, I could probably throw a rock and hit South Dakota. Just to give you an idea where I'm at. I looked at the maps earlier because I'm gonna go there. Well, you know, probably I am going there. I am 429 miles away from Mount Rushmore. Get my arm right, that direction. Roughly 6 hours away. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go. I hadn't planned on going, but since I'm so close, I thought, man, there's a fly again. I thought, you know, I'm there, I'm so close to it, I might as well go. I've been there before. It's been several years ago, but I figured I might as well go back since I'm so close to it. Go over and look at these signs real quick. I ain't got a whole lot of info on them, you know, but a little bit. This one just, you know, welcome you to Mulberry Bend. Gives you a kind of like a bird's eye view of the river. We're like right here. Yeah, I had to make sure. Actually, you probably can't see it, but right there's the campground. This is that bridge. This is all Nebraska right here. This would be, I have to make sure I'm right. Nebraska, yeah. It's like just this one corner is South Dakota. And this is another state over here. Anyhow, this what we got over here. Just another little info about the river. Shows you. No, I was wrong. All of that's South Dakota. Okay. I was thinking another state could have crossed there, but I was wrong. So all that's South Dakota. Anyhow, there's another, right here if you can see it, there's a Lewis and Clark State Recreation Area. Let me find where I'm at. I don't know where I'm at. I'm right here. I know I'm probably shaking y'all around. I'm right here, but I'm gonna, not on the river, but I'm gonna find me a road to get over here to this Lewis and Clark thing. Then it tells you about some of the fish in the water, some of the birds. Then that's your basic, you know, no jet skis. If I'm reading this right, there's 3 invasive species of weeds, and they want you to help get rid of it. I guess pull them up or something. You know, and then the basic, clean your boat before you put it in the water so you don't invade it with, you know, stuff that's not native to the area. Anyhow, this place is, man, right back in the shadow again, ain't it? Well, yeah, we'll just deal with it. Ain't nothing to look at anyway, not me. Over here, there's old Holly. I'm way over there. This will be my first night here. I've been here probably, I don't even know what time it is. I got here early this morning. I've probably been here a good 7 or 8 hours, whatever. It seems to be very peaceful. Of course, this ain't a weekend. I didn't see a whole lot around here to do. The general area, no towns. I mean, this is in the middle of nowhere. I'm probably 2 hours from any town. Now, I've passed a few little Mayberry-looking places, you know, residential areas that was, I guess you call it a town. A bunch of people live there, but there was no stores, not even a gas station. Just little cluster of houses. So I'm probably a good 2 hours from the nearest town that has anything to speak of. Gas stations, you know, grocery stores or whatever. So I'm assuming this is probably that little happening spot on the weekends, because there's nothing around here to do. And I see a lot of, along this road I came in on, there's a lot of campers on the riverbank. Who are like long term, and like people's little getaway spots, you know. So I would almost guess it comes alive in oh, it's a barn. I thought I was just seeing a cabin up in the woods there, but it's a barn. I didn't even know that was there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this place comes alive on the weekends. But I'm gonna stay here a few days, kind of slow down, relax. I've been moving pretty good there, making a few miles more than what I was planning on doing. But yeah, I believe I'm gonna call this home for a while. Something interesting happens, I'll get back on here. You know, let you know what's going on. Trying to get you out of that shadow, or get me out of the shadow. It's not working. I guess I'm underneath this shade tree, but yeah, I'm gonna get off here. Hope everybody's having a great day. Holy cow, I'm completely gone, ain't I? I'm like right here. See that big black circle? That's me. Hope y'all having a great day. Oh, here comes a big boat up the river. I bet that, what that truck did, that's theirs probably. Hope you're having a great day, great night. I know I've said it 10 times. Here comes a fly. I'll say hello to my aunt, say hello to my subscribers and my friend. And yeah, I'll catch y'all a little later. Until then, God bless you.